Hey everybody, today's video is going to be on body weight exercise. So this is a fundamental and very important thing. I see a lot of people make mistakes on this when I first see them move. And it's not anything you're necessarily doing wrong. It's just you're not thinking of how you should be moving your body the right way to start. So it makes the movement feel like you're squatting, but in reality you're not engaging the things we want you to engage. So with the video here, I'm going to show you a good squat. Down, up. Notice where my legs stop, complete stop, nothing else is going down. If you're not stopping and you're continuously going after you've completed your squat, that motion is called a butt wink. We want to eliminate butt winks from what you're doing when it comes to squatting. So as we'll continue here with the video, I'll show you some examples of people who maybe have too much mobility and they can squat and get their butt all the way to the ground, and that can be just as bad because you're not bracing the right way. So here's an example. So my mobility is good and I can go way far down. You see how my back arches though, and I dip in there with the butt wink? Same thing. Not good. People who go into classes that are really dynamic and require you to move really fast the whole time, not going down far enough and going down too far can be just as bad. We want to have you get to the position where you're just squatting straight down, you're stabilizing completely, and you're coming back up to the top.